Hi everyone, today I am going to be unboxing and reviewing this K&F Concept memory card and camera battery case. The link for it is in my description, but let's get into the video and get it unboxed.
So it says environmental ABS without any odour, water resistant TPV to avoid debris and water, tough water resistant, polycarbonate case, easy to carry and store memory card securely, more ergonomic and comfortable with convex design. It's suitable for the Nikon or Nikon, and it's got a list of different batteries there, the Canon, different batteries, and the Sony, different batteries. I have the Sony one, so I'm going to see if that fits in. Looks nice and solid, nice and hard, like a little suitcase, briefcase, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, don't hold it like that because I think that's the catch. I think that's the actual latch to open it. Let's have a look. Yeah, it is. So, ow, just trap my finger in it. So, as you're opening and closing it, don't put your finger here because as you close it, it traps your finger. Might be a silly thing for some, but for me, that's a bit of good advice. Anyway, inside, there's one of these clips. I've never really liked these things. I always think they fail, but that could be because I've had cheaper ones in the past. So we'll see how this one fares up against the cheaper ones I've used before. And inside we have space for cards, we have space for batteries, and this is supposed to be a really good universal holder for everything, which is why I wanted it. I wanted somewhere I could put all the things that I need directly, quickly into this, rather than having batteries here and SD cards there. So I'm going to get a few bits together. So I have a battery, I have some batteries, I have an SD card, and then I have some smaller batteries. These are from a little 4K camera that I've got. I also have SD card. Anything else? Other cards. So let's see how all this fits together. So we have these horrible little fiddly SD cards that I struggle with, and they fit in that area there. Let's see how easy it is to get them in and out. That says MSD, so that's, yeah, micro SD, it's me being thick. So that fits in, and that's secure, doesn't fall out, which is good because they go missing all over the bloody place. Then we have this style of SD card, which go in there. They also go directly on top of them, so you can have more than one. Does that hold in? Holds in really well. Then we have the normal batteries, which should fit on that side. They fit in really well. Now it's good having all these in and that they don't fall out. I'm going to show how hard it is to get them out as well in a bit. And then we have, this is my battery that I got from Sony with the ZVE10 camera, and this fits. Don't fit in there, don't fit in there. Where is it supposed to fit? Where are they supposed to fit? Definitely too wide for that. Yeah. On this it says Sony NPFW50, which is what that says there. Yet doesn't seem to want to fit. Apparently you can fit two of these next to each other. And to me they don't fit unless you just put it in loose like that, which is fine for me, but I'm pretty sure if you wanted to fit two of them in, they're not actually secure. Like these are all nice and tight and secure. This is just going to flop around inside. If that's how it's supposed to be, that's how it's supposed to be. I can't tell if that wobbling is from this battery or these as well, so Yeah, it's definitely coming from that battery. But what I'll do is take all these out, put this back in, and just see if it does do that. These obviously still, these are not meant to fit in here, but these obviously fit in just as good as they do. In fact, that would even fit there. Don't know about shutting it as well. No. So yeah, if you got the little batteries, they'd have to fit there, which is where the bigger batteries go anyway. But it looks like you'd be able to fit two of these little ones in next to each other, because that one just goes up to that line. You should theoretically be able to fit another one next to it. But these just seem to move around inside, so I'm going to take these out, see how easy they are to actually get out. I want to put another one next to it, just because you're likely to have more than one. This is so old, this one. This one's a 1 gigabyte. When was the last time we saw a 1 gigabyte card? Right, so them two are in. So to get them out, I've got nails, so that would be easy for me to get out. But somebody who hasn't got nails, I think they would need something to put inside there to get it out. So yeah, I can get it out with my nails quite easy, but I can't really test it with my fingers because my nails are in the way of my fingers. So they come out quite easy. That one does eventually. Batteries. Now, there's no way of grabbing them if you've not got no nails. So, yep, you can push it up that way. Actually, if you use the side of your thumb, you'll be able to get that up, and then you'll be able to get the rest out by using that battery itself. So they all come out pretty good. Now this, I wanted to see if it was that was making the noise. So yeah, it's definitely loose, but it is well protected in there because these, you know, they're very hard, but the foam. So it definitely is going to keep it safe even though it's wobbling around in there. So I'm going to put these in here. I also have another card I've not opened yet that I'm probably going to store in there as well because I can. So these fit nicely. So you could have a side that are not used and a side that are used, so you can fit up to 6 of these in there. And these adapters, you can fit, this is another one of those adapters. Oh, missed that because I've got the safety catch on. See, the safety catch works. You should be able to fit other things on there as well. So they all fit in, and I know there's still space between this one and that one. So, yeah, impressed. Nice and compact, something you can easily just chuck in your camera bag. So, I think I've found my new home for my cards. Thumbs up for that one.